As predicted, it has been a rough week. There are now nearly 11,000 coronavirus cases in our state. We know 392 people have died. Hello, everybody. I'm Rick Ritter.
And I'm Denise Koch. This has been the deadliest week here in Maryland since this pandemic started. Now it is just a question of when will these numbers start going down and our lives can return to normal.
Well, we have live extensive team coverage tonight. Let's begin with WJZ investigator Mike Helgren with the latest developments. Mike.
Rick, more than 6,000 people filed for unemployment here in Baltimore City in just the past week alone. And there is a lot on the health front with this. We have seen more than 700 new cases in Maryland just today.
Spread the word, not the virus.
The NAACP sound truck is rolling through Baltimore, reminding people in hard-hit city neighborhoods about the dangers of the coronavirus.
The virus is costing us lives of our loved ones.
In northwest Baltimore's zip code 21215, which has more cases than any other in the state, the Arabers were wearing masks. That zip code is also home to the Future Care Locker nursing home that has one of the largest outbreaks in the country, with at least 170 infections. Governor Hogan spoke on the Today Show.
We had our two deadliest days in a row.
Hogan led a conference call with President Trump and acknowledged tension between the nation's governors and the White House.
The president, I believe, walked back many of his earlier comments from, he was saying that he had the ultimate authority and that he was going to tell the governors what to do.
The governor is facing criticism from the AFSCME union representing state employees who say they're not being protected, particularly in the prison system where there are 136 confirmed cases. A correctional officer who asked not to be named spoke to me about conditions. AFSCME described it today as a ticking time bomb. I mean, how would you describe?
I'd say that's pretty accurate. Ticking time bomb, I'd say that's definitely pretty accurate.
Another officer in Jessup helped a fellow officer who went unconscious and was later found to be positive.
Nobody called me. Nobody called the people that were in close proximity. I was concerned that I was exposed, and I've taken it to my family.
Maryland is also dealing with record unemployment. New numbers show a continuing surge in claims, with more than 61,000 in the past week, as many businesses remain closed and Marylanders deal with an uncertain future. Now, some bright spots. 129 people have reported they have recovered from COVID-19 in the past 24 hours alone, and more than 19,000 people in the state have signed up for health insurance since this pandemic began under a special open enrollment period. Reporting live at City Hall, Mike Helgren, WJZ.